All right, so we come to number 22. And what we find is that we've got a few sentences here. We'd actually call this a one sentence problem. But I noticed that the answer choices are all exponential. And so I know that it's exponential because x is in the exponent. So it's exponential because x is in the exponent. So I'm going to start off by kind of scanning for keywords. I'm going to take my pen here. We're going to find some keywords. So a shipping company started with 40 employees. The number of employees increases at a rate of 7.5% each year. So it asks which function can be used to model the number of employees after X years. So, in other words, which equation models started with 40 and increases 7.5? Well, there's a couple of ways to do this. But one thing I want to clarify for us really quickly is we don't see the number 43 anywhere in here. And I see 43 in this answer choice and in this answer choice. So my beginning amount, which is 40, should be this number right here. And I don't see it in A and C. So A and C are gone. I don't even need to look at those. They have the wrong starting amount. So let me go over here. So to use our Cambium tools, I'm going to go over here to my 3 lines over here, and I'm going to click on that, use my strike through tool, and I'm going to click A and click C so that they're eliminated. And then I go back over here and click on it again to turn it off. So now I've got just B and C to pay attention to. Now I can use my Desmos calculator to figure out which one matches because I bet my keyword is going to help me. So I'm going to I opened my graph paper instead. I'm going to open my Desmos calculator and I'm going to do kind of a graph and see if it matches the words. So I can type in exactly what I see. So f of x equals 40, open parentheses, 1.075, close parentheses, shift 6, and put in my x. So now what I should see, if I zoom out, is now I have a graph. I'm going to zoom out a little further. And so there's my graph, and it's crossing at 40. Notice, let me clear my let me clear that mark right there. So notice that we have 40 is where it crosses the x-axis. I mean the y-axis, excuse me. So that's my y-intercept. And this looks like it's increasing from left to right. As a matter of fact, this shows growth, exponential growth. To make sure, we're going to go ahead and put in the other equation. We're going to put in answer choice D. So we'll put in f of x equals 40, open parentheses, 0.075, close parentheses, shift 6, put my x in the exponent. So you can see that this is a rather steep decay. Did I put that in there correctly? I believe I did. 0.075. Yep. So we have one that is dramatically decreasing. So left to right, this blue line is running downhill, which is decreasing. So we don't want that one. I'm going to turn that one off and remind myself that the red matches choice B. So that's how I can use a combination of vocabulary, increasing, sorry, my calculator wants to move with me, the increases part, and put it in graph and match and pick the proper one that is actually increasing.